Set your personalized or favorite background on Mac login or lock screen. If your MacBook has FileVault disabled, then your desktop wallpaper won't automatically set to the login screen. Let's check how to fix and enable the method in step 2. Move to the Apple logo in the top left corner and click on the System Settings option. Select Wallpaper on the left side of the window. And here are all macOS wallpapers. To add your picture, click on Add Photo option. Here, you can select a picture from the Photos app or choose one from the Finder window. Select a high-resolution picture downloaded from the internet and click the Choose option. To add more wallpapers, repeat the same steps and add new wallpapers one by one. Under the Photos section, you can view all pictures added to your Mac as wallpapers. Please select any of them or use the Shuffle Wallpaper option to shuffle automatically with this duration setting. And choose randomly, according to your interests, automatically. That's it. To see the change, log out or restart your MacBook. The login screen will now show this wallpaper in the background. May macOS report that the login background can't change. If FileVault is enabled, the background shown at startup can't be changed easily. It's tied to the system default. Without any data loss, we can change and turn on FileVault from Settings. Go to the Apple logo from the top left corner and click on System Settings. Now, select the Privacy and Security option on the left side panel. Scroll to the last FileVault option and click Turn On to start FileVault on the Mac disk. Enter your Mac login password. Select any of the two options. Allow my iCloud account to unlock my disk, create a recovery key, and do not use my iCloud account. I recommend selecting the iCloud account option because it's easy when you forget the login screen password on Mac. Wait for the encryption process to finish. Once you have made the changes, shut down your Mac and check that your desktop wallpaper is now showing on the login screen, as you can see on my MacBook screen. To get into details, refer to the separate tutorial given in the video description and pin comment. Post your questions in the comment box. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for new free tech guide video updates.